I'm going Go Grime mad now, so you'll see from my other videos the power that Go Grime has had taking stains out of fabrics and so forth. So I'm just going to try it on these trainers. I've had these trainers for quite a while, and even if you give them a good rub with soapy cloth, you can see they get cleaner, but they just don't get clean. They're still sort of grime and grub within the cracks and crevices. So I'm going to try, but put them in the sink. I'm going to try Go Grime on these filthy trainers and see how we get on. With clearing up the dirt and muck that's on those. I'll give it the required 2 minutes and come back. So whilst we're waiting the required 2 minutes, let's just have a look at this Go Grime, which cleans pretty much anything. Degreases, wax, stains, grime. Ideal for any surface, no fumes, no skin, no burns, no abrasives, not toxic. You'll see I'm not wearing gloves or any protective gear wear at all. So for grime and grease or heavy build up, it needs to sit for 2 or 3 minutes, which is what I've done on these trainers. I'm just going to start with a white. It's a bit difficult. Wow, look at that. Wow. It really has got into the groove there. That's I haven't been that white for many a year. I'm just going to put the camera down and give them a wipe over, and let's see what we've got. So you can see where we put on the Go Grime, how the tick has now come white. There's still a tiny bit of grime in that one. That may be where I've missed it. We need to do it again. And in this crease here, there's a tiny bit, but again, that's where I can't get a cloth in. But within a few seconds, you can tell where we didn't spray up here. But if you compare that with how they were before, and that's Go Grime left, I mean, look at the difference in those ticks. And you see with this one where I've tried to whiten it with a shoe whitener before, and it's made a hell of a mess. But so look at the difference in those two ticks. A little bit of Go Grime, waiting 2 minutes, and then just wiping with a damp cloth. So I better do the rest of the shoes now with Go Grime, but at least I'll be able to wear them again.